Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. My English journey with reading aloud. Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a special story. This story is about how I learned English. I had no teacher. I had no class. I only had one thing, reading aloud. Yes, that simple habit changed my life. A few years ago, I could not speak English. I could not understand English movies, songs, or even small sentences. At work, I stayed quiet. In meetings, I said nothing. In front of my manager, I felt nervous. I wanted to learn, but I did not know where to begin. One day, I watched a video. A man said, if you want to speak English, just read aloud every day for 5 to 10 minutes. I thought, that sounds easy. I can try. The next morning, I picked up a short English story. I went to my room. I closed the door. I started to read aloud. At first, I felt shy, even though I was alone. My voice was not clear. I made many mistakes. I read slowly. Sometimes I stopped and repeated the same line many times. But I didn't give up. I told myself, just 5 minutes every day. That's all. So I did it again the next day. And the next. I chose very simple stories. I chose small paragraphs. I underlined new words. I spoke every word clearly. I looked at the mirror and read. I tried to read with feeling, like I was telling a story to someone. After 2 weeks, something changed. My mouth moved faster. My tongue was more comfortable with English sounds. I didn't pause too much. I understood the meaning better. I was surprised, only 10 minutes a day, and I was growing. I continued this habit every day. I used my phone to record my voice. Then I listened to it. I checked my mistakes. I laughed sometimes at my funny pronunciation, but I also felt proud. I was learning. I was improving. I was becoming confident. After 1 month, I could read long paragraphs. I started to speak to my friends in English. I still made mistakes, but I was not scared. I even started to write small messages and emails in English. My reading aloud practices gave me the courage to speak up. Now, reading aloud is part of my life. Every morning or evening, I spend 10 minutes reading aloud. I read stories, news, or even my old notes. I speak clearly. I enjoy the sound of English. My fear is gone. My confidence is strong. So, if you want to learn English, start with this simple method. You don't need big books. You don't need expensive courses. Just choose a small paragraph. Read it loudly. Every day. Only 5 to 10 minutes. Slowly, your English will grow. Like a small seed that becomes a big tree. Reading aloud is my best teacher. It changed my life. And it can change yours too.